All right, welcome back. Today we are cooking with rum again.
And we're making tiramisu with our coffee rum.
Let's go. All right, that's how you make the tiramisu with some coffee rum. I'm excited to cut into it. I love tiramisu. So let's get some slices on our plates.
All right, and so how did you make this? I've never actually made tiramisu before.
So it's my favorite dessert ever. My mom makes it for my birthday every year. But you just make like a cream with a couple different ingredients, and then you soak ladyfingers normally in the coffee and the rum mixture. But I decided to do vanilla wafers because ladyfingers are really hard to find, and they actually were sold out. Thank you. Vanilla wafers work the same. So thought I'd try it.
Well, I love vanilla wafers.
Yeah,
Man, I
me too.
definitely enjoy this.
I like to eat it frozen too sometimes because then it's like ice cream.
Ooh, yeah.
But yeah, we use vanilla wafers, and then for this I did a bigger portion of the coffee rum instead of the coffee because you do have to have both.
Yeah.
But this already has caffeine, so just did extra of this.
I mean, I love adding rum to anything. Now, so what's on top too? Sprinkles
Cocoa
on?
powder. So it's a little chocolatey, a little creamy coffee. The coffee rum obviously kind of already has some coffee flavoring in it, or in chocolatey like flavor to the beans. So you ready to try
wonderful.
it? I'm ready to see what you think.
Diving in.
It's good. I can taste the coffee rum. It's
Nice
very
and creamy
sweet.
and like cheesy.
There's mascarpone, or I don't know how you say it.
Marzipone?
Marzipone.
I think. I don't know.
There's
Now I'm second
there is some
guessing
kind of cheese, so yeah, but it's really good and really easy to make. You just let it chill in the fridge for a couple hours or overnight, and you're good.
Well, it's worth it. This is delicious.
It was good. All right, so if you want to learn how to make this, definitely follow the recipe in this video and in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come check us out at the distillery and try out your own recipes with our coffee rum and other rums because you can cook with all of them. They're all really good. So
Delicious.
we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.